look at ourselves at Miller Industries as an industry leader. We're always out in front with our product designs, and we really appreciate the fact that Infor is really pushing the envelope with their products and really looking to seeing what that next product is that can help us maximize our profits and the profits to our shareholders and everybody involved in our business. Our relationship with Infor has lasted at this time for over 22 years. We know that the technology that we are utilizing today is allowing us to keep up with demand and really grow our company at a rate that we can satisfy our customers and really keep up. If we didn't have the software and the solutions that have been provided to us from Infor, working behind the scenes, that today we would not be able to grow at the rate that we are and keep up with those macroeconomic, demand drivers that are really pushing our business forwards today. Miller Industries is considered an essential business. We provide both commercial and military equipment that keeps all the roadways clear and keeps our highways flowing. So as an essential business, we needed to figure out a way to manage the pandemic and do it in a safe manner for all of our employees that had to come to work every day to manufacture product. And we took all of our employees and all of our hourly employees and split them into two teams, allowing to reduce the amount of density of people in each one of our factories, increasing the square footage per person, and working 7 days a week on a 4-on 4-off shift instead of working Monday through Friday as we had in the past. From the data that we had acquired from our software solutions and from Birst specifically, we were able to see back when we tested this theory in our large wrecker welding department at our corporate headquarters that we actually increased productivity with those individuals that were in that department by working 4-on and 4-off shift and giving them that break from work for 4 days.
So what's important to us here at Miller is make sure that we have on-time delivery to our customers, quality is high, and obviously maximize stakeholder and shareholder wealth. So we use Birst to measure our productivity in all of our departments, pre-4-on 4-off and post-4-on 4-off. What we found through Birst and being able to track it real time, every morning we get a new productivity number. Our 4-on 4-off schedule not only kept a healthier workforce, but we increased productivity anywhere from 12 to 16% depending on the department.
So we were not concerned with doing this across the board. So it actually played to our benefit to be able to separate everybody, reduce the risk of a COVID outbreak at each one of our facilities, but also knowing from our past performance and from the data that we had acquired through our systems that it would actually allow us to perform better as an organization. Since then, we've decided to keep the 4-on 4-off shift throughout all of our facilities in North America and really pushing that forwards to create more performance out of our employees, better work environment, better schedule. And now as we're moving back into a growth cycle again, since we have less employees at each factory on any given day, we're actually now in the process of hiring even more employees and ramping up production to record levels. So we're looking forward to everything that we can do in the future.